one thing I am against, and that is using Yiddish words in an English translation too frequently and unnecessarily, because translating a Yiddish story by an educated writer, let's say a woman writer, who was well educated, well read, and a good writer, to use these Yiddish words brings down the level of the writing. Or to use Yiddish grammatical constructions that makes her dialogue sound less than, makes the person sound like an immigrant or a foreigner or a non-native speaker or a less educated person. I really am very much against that. I think that the author deserves to be given a voice that's commensurate with their ability as a writer. If there's a word that's untranslatable, yes, you have to use it. But if it's a word that somehow the meaning can be woven into the sentence without trying to give lessons in Yiddish to your readers, and as having as few words in a glossary as possible, and better still, not even a glossary, because to have to flip back and forth is very disruptive. I think the language should be as unobtrusive as possible when you're translating.